Hello friends, how are you? I think I'm fine and safe from COVID-19. So everybody, today's our topic is fraction. Today we'll know about the classification and how many parts fraction is. That means we'll know the basic knowledge about fraction. So everybody, let us know how many parts is fraction. There are two parts in fraction. One is numerator and denominator. If we write any fraction, 1:2. Here I have write a fraction named 1:2, and here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. So fraction are divided into two parts, numerator and denominator. Now we'll know about the classification of fraction. These are the parts of fraction and classification of fraction. There is a big difference here among the parts and classification. So fraction is divided into three types. One number, proper fraction. Improper fraction. And mixed fraction. These are the classification of fraction. Please see it, everybody. So everybody, now we'll know what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, and what is mixed fraction. Let us know. First of all, proper fraction. The fraction where the numerator is smaller and the denominator are larger, that is called proper fraction. For example, 2/1. For example, 1/2, 1/2, 1/5. Here 2/7, 6/9, and 5/11. These are the proper fraction. Now let us write again the are smaller these are the. Now let me wrap the board. Write it, everybody. Now we'll know these are the proper fraction. So everybody, tell me here everybody, if you are with me, please tell me what are the proper fraction. I think you have understand proper fraction and you can tell the proper fractions. Give me the example of proper fraction in the comments section. I will say it. Now everybody, two number improper fraction. improper fraction, the fraction where numerator is larger small. So everybody, now improper fraction, the fraction where numerator, the fraction where the numerator is larger and the denominator is smaller. Now it is the opposite of proper fraction. You can see that the proper fraction here numerator is larger and denominator is the numerator is smaller and the denominator are larger. But in improper fraction it's totally opposite. Here the denominator are smaller, numerator are larger. For example, 5 by 2. Here the numerator is larger and the denominator is smaller. Everybody. Again, 7 by 9, 2 by 7 by 2, 1, 6 by 5. These are the improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. I think I'm understanding improper fraction. So everybody, can you tell me the example of improper fraction? Yes, everybody. I think you have told me the example of improper fraction on very finely and good. Now everybody, mixed fraction. Now we'll know about mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, everybody. Mixed fraction is totally different. In improper fraction and proper fraction, the fraction where integer is present dividing First of all, we will know what is integer. Here I have written a number 1, 2, 1, 5, 2. Here everybody, here 1 is integer and it is numerator, it is denominator. Okay, everybody? So here is this circle integer. I think you have known what there are a path name integer in mixed fraction. Now you have a question that what is mixed fraction actually? The where integer is present, the fraction where integer is present by dividing improper fraction. This is the mixed fraction. For example, if we write any of the improper fraction, if we write any improper fraction like 6 by 5, wait everybody, 6 by, we'll write any of the integer. Now everybody, then if we write any improper fraction like 6 by 5. Here we have write any of the improper fractions. 6 by 5. Now is this an improper fraction? Yes, this is improper fraction. We have known from the above discussion that the fraction where the numerator is larger and denominator is small. Here the numerator is larger and denominator is small. That's why it is called improper fraction. Now we have to divide it. In the fraction, in the summation of the answer of the fraction, you will see there is improper fraction. In improper fraction, then you will divide it. So is this an improper fraction? Yes. So we'll divide it. Here we'll divide by 5 by 6. Here 5 divided by 6. Everybody 1. Here 1. So in this equation, you will see that the remainder will go up as a numerator. The remainder will go up as a numerator. Yes, 1, 1. And the quotient will be here as an integer. The quotient will be integer here 1, and 6 will be denominator here. Sorry, 6 not. Here 5 will be denominator 5. This is a mistake. Let us write any example. Here if we write 4 by 2, sorry, 4 by, if we write any of the fraction that cannot be equivalent, if we write 5 by 2, here 5 by 2 everybody, 5 by 2. Now we'll divide it. 2. 5 by 2 equal to 2 divided by 5 equal to 2, 4, 1. Here in this equation, here the remainder will go up, and 2 will be sit here. The divisor will sit as a denominator, and here 2, the quotient will be sit as the integer. So this is the answer. So that's all from me. I think I understand. Improper fraction makes fraction. Now you ready? I am gonna share you something that I have opened a group named Farhan Academy. Farhan Academy. Let's change the life. The group name is Farhan Academy. So you search it, and when you open it, there is a book-like structure. Like this book-like structure. In that book, you click it and add to this group and send me the homework. Through this homework is you have to give the example of proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay, everybody, please add friend with my group. So that's all from me. Goodbye. And so if you like my video, subscribe my channel and tap to the bell icon. Goodbye.